When we make a sink, you start with a square piece of steel. Can you see that? Okay, and you draw the bowl. What you're doing is you're drawing, and this steel on the edges is drawn in. That's where the steel on the sides of the sink come from. Okay. When we're done, we cut those off and weld two bowls together. If you'll see on the bottom here, see the weld mark on the top? See this weld mark? You can't see it down the middle because it's painted, but that's the weld mark. Okay. When they do that, you make all four sides of the sink are the same thickness. Now, the guys that in order to make the cheaper sink, they press both bowls at the same time. If you see on here, they press and it's still drawn. You can see where the steel is drawn in to make the bowl. But in here, there's no place to draw it from. So the way to get it is by stretching and stressing that center rail, okay, which makes it thinner. That center rail can be as thin as 20 or 22 gauge because it's stretched. Now, in addition to being thinner, and thinner is noisier, in addition to being thinner, you can get stress marks and stretch marks in this area, wavy. You've probably seen wavy in the cheap sinks along there. It could be anywhere in the bottom of the sink, but usually it's right along the center rail where it comes from. Okay? So that's why welded is so important. Now, obviously, if you press both bowls at the same time, that's one process. If you press this bowl and you press this bowl and you weld it together, it's three processes. So it's a more expensive way to make the bowl.